Is that rain too?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, there's supposed to be 10-foot waves today. You want to go in the water, R? Throw you in? Ready?
Yeah.
That's a repeat. We did that before, huh?
Yeah.
We did that a long time ago when we see the naked man on the beach. Remember that? Okay, so it's been raining. It's supposed to be a coastal storm today. So, you know, I'm just gonna go one wheel in it. Obviously, I'm using my GoPro because I don't want to get my big camera all wet. It's just sprinkling, but it's slowly starting to sprinkle more. Let's ride down to the beach and see what it looks like. One time when I was younger, I brought a friend here with me, and I was riding my bike, and I came flying around this corner right here, and then up this sidewalk, and then right here. Doesn't this thing look like the perfect jump? I tried to jump that, jumped off of it, my back end kicked like this, so then I was like this, and I landed somewhere right down here and slid on my face and scraped on my face on the sides and had scars here for a really long time. I got like a concussion and hurt my shoulder pretty bad. So kids, don't try to jump bushes because they're not your friend. The rest of this vlog is gonna be shot on this GoPro, and it's just gonna be me riding the one wheel in the rain. It's gonna be a torrential downpour. And it's supposed to be like a king tide, so it's supposed to flood. Screw it, let's do it. Woo. Obviously it's not raining that hard, it's like a strong mist. Okay, now I'm starting to feel the weather. And I'm like closer to the beach. Oh geez, my face is all wet and beamed by raindrops, little tiny ones. Super windy. It's supposed to be like, Crystal was saying, like 50-mile-an-hour gusts. Seems dangerous. After today though, it says no more rain. Let's hope it's true. Hopefully it's like 70 degrees. I want to commit to myself to make vlogs no matter what. No matter how boring I feel I am or uninspired I am. I just want to go out and just put the content out. I just need one person to like it and show somebody else. Oh. That yellow beach house, you see it? I'm gonna buy it one day. I promised myself, like I've already said, like I said in what, yesterday's vlog? I'm gonna buy that one, or I'm gonna buy one just like it, even bigger, nicer, more expensive. That one's already like 5 million, I think it was for sale last time. But you guys wanna see the beach? Okay. It looks pretty miserable out here. Pretty cool though, huh? It's nice out here. It's nice to have an electric toy that works in the rain. Hopefully it doesn't break because it's kind of expensive. I might have to buy new shoes after this. These are gonna be soaked. All right, check this out. Let me go around this turn real quick. Right behind me? This is right outside the condo we were staying in. Right there. Pretty cool, huh? Right next to the beach. Here's the beach. Freaking raindrops. I'm glad these GoPros are waterproof. Maybe I'll try to ride the beach back just for the hell of it. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna try to do it. Screw it. Come on, one wheel. We're almost there. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What's up? Turn my lights on just for the hell of it. I'm now riding on this thing. That was fun, sketchy. Super sketchy. How was that, riding on the beach? Now we gotta clean off all the sand. People are calling me over there to go talk to them. I don't want to talk to them. I think I'm gonna head back now. I think I got enough for the vlog today. Had some fun in the rain. My shoes are covered in sand. The one wheel's covered in sand. It's worth it. You gotta shoot a vlog. I'm actually super happy right now. Well, we're almost home. Take the neighborhood. Jeez, look at this house. nice house. Almost back. I need to get off the sidewalk. Love this place, even in the rain now. It was pretty sketchy on the sand though, I'll tell you what. Last straightaway, I could see the house. We made it. Soaked on this side, dry on this side. We got sand all over my feet. It's all worth it. There's my grandma's. Oh yeah. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Get a one wheel, like I always say. Support a small creator because creating keeps the world turning. Peace.